Wowee! Phew, that's almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the orange groves.
I'm glad we did get him carried away, huh? Yeah. I say, look out there across the water. It appears to be a bit of company.
Now, me, yes. Welcome, you all.
Permit us to introduce ourselves. My name is Claude, and my loquacious cousin over here is...
I'll introduce myself, if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, now, let's see now. It's right on the tip of my beak.
Clyde Birdbrain.
Oh, yeah. I'm Clyde Birdbrain.
Yo, I say, perhaps you good people have never conversed with toucan birds before.
Well, neither did we, till one day we discovered this magic sunshine pavilion.
By Jove, yes, I remember just how it happened. Many bird baths ago. There we were in an explorer's launch on a mysterious river in deepest Adventureland. Off in the distance comes the fierce roar of an African lion. As we round a bend in the river, a huge bull elephant bellows forth in protest of our intrusion. Suddenly, the treetops explode in a frenzy of outraged birds. Come, for John will do better than that.
I think Charlie and Walt will do one at a time.
Meanwhile, shifty-eyed crocodiles lurk by the water's edge. Lurk, 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 and the giant python slithers down from an overhanging limb. What's happened? What's wrong?
Snakes!
Don't be ridiculous. I'm only relating a story. Oh, my Clyde, enough is enough.
That wasn't me. I never even opened my beak.
I'm sorry, Fritz, that was me. I need to interrupt an exciting start. They're calling us in for the show.
Sakes, it's already showtime?
Oh, yeah, 6, yes, it's already showtime. And Claude, I do believe it's your turn to make that next announcement, righto?
Righto. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather up all your cameras, purses, and other articles, and now turn to your left towards the tall door.
When the drums begin, they'll open magically to lead you right into the Sunshine Pavilion. Is everybody ready?
I can't hear you. Is everybody ready?
Hey, have a good show. A real tropical serenade.
Alrighty, everyone, we do just ask you please wait behind that rope glass line until the customer opens the rope for you. As we're waiting, friendly reminder, there is no sitting, standing, climbing, or playing on those handrails. And at this time, I do ask you please ensure your entire party is with you, and the later arrivals cannot be accommodated. Now, hello, and enjoy the show.
Aloha, everyone, and welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Before we begin today's show, just a few quick announcements. Please refrain from using flash photography or use some external video lighting during the show. And for any reason you need to leave today's performance, please use the exit doors on the opposite end of the theater. With all that said, put your hands together for the one, the only, Jose.
What is this, senorita? My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, yo, Mako, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Here, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz. Ah, Tolima, I almost fell out of my number perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure. Wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Here's the showtime.
In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, all the birds sing work and the flowers grow. In the tiki 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 room. Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we were in the show, starting right away, we'd be the audience. All together in the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, all the birds sing work and the flowers grow. In the tiki 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 room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My bad voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, und der Traum ist nach Schwangner this world. Ist nach Leiter Schmidt. Und du weißt, wie Schmidt es vorher.
Amigo, stop the clucking. You're not in front to go in. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called McCalls.
because of their clothes.
No, because they're McCalls. And a fine feathered friend is a jolly tooth can. And two can sound better than one can. The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day. In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, all the birds sing work and the flowers grow. In the tiki 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 room. All right, this is set production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore, so come on and join us in another chorus. In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room. I know the fox and woods and the flowers grew. In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room. All the birds sing words and the flowers grew. In the tiki 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 room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now she knows she's in the please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
Ja, and a wunderbar Birdmobile. It has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a Birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble, just like the fully bergère with only feathers. There's Colette, hello Colette. Suzette, hello Mimi, Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all sing like some birdies sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like some birdies sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all waddle like night and day. Give your thoughts a treat. Take your time, comes in birds, now you all know the words. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birds sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 my that bird sings sweetly. Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, oui, oui, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
That was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Ja, the birds stand still, and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
Somebody has stolen my thunder!
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu, but we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their twang. You've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
It's a standing ovation. Applause. Up, down there. Applause. Everybody stand up. On your feet.
And now, as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Yeah, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, taste the dough. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear. Just let your feet and go. We'll sing this song and march along. I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope. So drive me not so slow. Come back again, we'll see you then. I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope.